Hello everyone, Nick here from TV Box Top and welcome back to another video. Today I want to introduce you to a new native HD 1080p projector from TOPTRO. This is the TOPTRO X5 and the manufacturer of this projector is claiming that the light source used in this model is imported from Germany with the original image optimization intact, and they are also claiming that they are using an all-glass lens design compared to other so-called models that don't tell their customers that they are using a resin lens. So that's some interesting details. There's a lot more they had to say about their model in terms of picture quality and brightness, but I prefer to let the projector speak for itself, so stay tuned. This model features a native 1080p display and adopts RGB plus BP Brightness technology. It has 360 ANSI Lumens that delivers up to 30% brighter displays than similar models. It has a contrast ratio of 15,000:1. It has 85% NTSC wide color gamut and 4K support. It has dual band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.1 audio support. It has aspect ratio of 43 and 16:9. It has 4D and 4P digital keystone adjustment. It has a maximum viewing distance of 16.4 feet that delivers a maximum display of 150 inches. And it can read Office documents such as Word, Excel, and PDFs. In this package contains the X5 model itself, one infrared remote, a power cable, auxiliary cable, and HDMI. It comes with a lens cleaning kit, a user manual, and a carrying case. For design and layout, to the front it has your standard IR sensor and the lens cover. For I/O, it has two HDMI inputs, two USB 2.0 ports, one VGA port, a headphone jack, one auxiliary port, a rear-facing IR sensor, its internal speaker, a power switch and socket, and a pop-out filter for the intake vent. To its right is where you'll find the intake vent, and on the opposite side you have the exhaust vent. At the top you have manual controls and the focus adjustment wheel, and below it has 4 anti-skid pads and a screw-type kickstand. So the X5's main menu is a bit different from the ones we have seen in similar models, and it features smooth animation effects. To the left is where you can select your various inputs, and to the right you have your various media sources. It has a new option for reading Office documents. It has Miracast and iOScast screen mirroring options, and to the top right corner is where you will find the settings area. In the settings area, you have your Wi-Fi settings where you can connect to your Wi-Fi network, and it has 2.4 plus 5 GHz Wi-Fi support. Under Bluetooth is where you can connect to your Bluetooth speakers. Under 4D keystone correction, you have digital zoom, independent vertical and horizontal zoom options, and you have 4-point keystone correction options. It's best to adjust the digital zoom first before adjusting the other options, as adjusting the digital zoom resets the others. You have projection mode settings for changing the screen orientation. You have date and time settings. You have language options where you can select from 9 various languages. Under other options, you can see information about the projector's hardware. You have boot options where you can select whether to boot to the main menu or to a particular source input. And you have your factory default settings. The last option is for updating the firmware using a local upload via a flash drive or via online update. For display and audio options, these only appear when you press the menu button on the remote while playing media. When you connect a flash drive or external hard drive to one of its USB ports, it can play 1080p videos and videos with DTS audio formats. It can also play videos with SRT subtitles. I played my list of 4K HDR videos in various formats and it failed to play all of them. It also cannot play Dolby Atmos or any Dolby formats. This projector has no physical keystone correction levers or wheels, and everything is controlled using 4D and 4P digital keystone adjustment. Here I placed it at an angle, and I will now adjust its keystone to get a square picture on the screen. And here's a sample of its digital zoom feature. A standard feature with these modern projectors is the ability to cast your mobile phone or tablet using Miracast or iOS Cast. On the X5, this process is really simple. Once you connect it to your Wi-Fi network, simply open the iOS Cast or Miracast option in the main menu. Then, on your mobile phone or tablet, scan for the name of the projector and pair your device to it. Then open your Miracast or iOS Cast on your mobile device and start casting, and it's easy as that. For watching premium movie services such as Netflix, the manual states that the X5 does not support HDCP protection. This means if you try to play your favorite movies, let's say through Netflix, all you will get is picture with no audio. But you do have the option to connect your streaming device to a Bluetooth speaker to get audio. When you connect a device via HDMI, the display and sound options will look different as it provides more advanced options to get the best picture and sound quality. On the picture, you have your color presets and custom user option. Display mode is where you can change its aspect ratio from 4:3 to 16:9 widescreen. And if you scroll down under advanced settings, this is where you can really fine-tune your display with some advanced color temperature, dynamic contrast, and other important display features. Under sound options, you have your sound presets and custom user option. And there's also some advanced sound options. The manufacturers of this projector boast of their light source being imported from Germany intact without modifications, and this delivers 85% NTSC advanced color gamut, and for picture brightness uses RGB plus BP Brightness technology. These features, they claim, set their projector aside from the others, and it delivers a display that others only claim to deliver with glass-coated lens when in fact they are using resin lens. So let's now look at its display and see if there's a difference. We'll also listen to the audio quality of its internal speaker.
It's a typical Adriano shot, unable to really test Courtois, but Coquet with the ball, Villa to his...
So in my analogy of its display, I can confirm that its focus and edges are really sharp, and the projection itself is of a high quality. And I found that the advanced color and brightness settings really changes the quality of the display to suit different environments. But overall, I'm really impressed with the quality of the German imported lens. Connecting to Bluetooth speakers and receivers couldn't be easier. Simply open the Bluetooth settings, scan for your device, and connect to it. Let's listen to a sound sample.
I dreamed the same dream. And then... the nightmare begins. I did what I had to do. For fan noise,
This projector generates around 51 dBs of noise, which can be a bit loud if you are in a small room, but once audio is playing, you don't really hear it. So viewers, there you have it. This projector is really something special, and I can confirm that the claims made by this developer are indeed true. I have reviewed lots of projectors from various brands, and just a few of them stood out for me. The first being the Nexigo PJ20, the Artley Enjoy 3, and now this model, which is the TOPTRO X5. So if you are interested in this model, you can get it on Amazon with a $90 coupon if you click on the link in the description directly below this video. Please note, if you are on your mobile, click on the little down arrow below the video to reveal the link and other important details. So thanks for watching. Give this video the thumbs up if you like this projector. Special thanks goes out to TOPTRO for sending their product for review. I appreciate the support. If this is the first time you are visiting my channel, show some support by clicking on the subscribe button and the notifications bell below this video to be notified when I release new videos or decide to do a giveaway. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Stay tuned and I'll be seeing you in the next one.